How's it going, guys? My name is Majid, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing of the Kwilt 2. If you guys haven't heard of this device, it's a pretty fantastic piece of technology that basically allows you to connect your hard drives or any data storage that you have and have access to it over the cloud, essentially your own personal cloud. So this is the box, and let's take a look at what comes inside. So inside the box right away we have the Kwilt 2 device. It's a pretty small form factor. Let's put that aside. So inside the box we have some cables that it comes with. So for the power supply, as well as an HDMI cable and an Ethernet cable. And they've also decided to include a 16 gigabyte USB memory stick to start you off if you don't have an external hard drive that you want to connect to it just yet. But this will be a quick way for you to start just backing up some of your photos, videos, documents, whatever it is that you have on your phone or you want to access via your phone. So I'm going to be doing a full review on this device. If you want to check that out, make sure to subscribe to my channel for that, as it'll be uploaded soon. But just a little bit of detail. It does come with applications that you can download on the Google Play Store or the Apple Store, and it is compatible with both Mac and Windows. So it's pretty universal, and this device can pretty much allow you to access your data from any device anywhere in the world, and it works pretty well. Alright guys, so that's basically it. Thanks for watching the unboxing. If you want to watch the full review, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos to come. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.